Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to play YouTube in background while using other application. So go to Chrome first and write here www.youtube.com. Go to this website, not this application but to website. After go to YouTube website, you'll find this three dot icon, which is bottom right corner. This one, bottom right corner in iPhone, but in Android you'll find three dot on top right corner. Okay, so click on that three dot icon, which is bottom right or top right corner. Just find it out like this, and you'll find Chrome options, many options like this: incognito, add to bookmark, add to reading list, whatever. Just make it desktop mode. You'll find here request desktop site. Just click on this and it will be like this. Your Chrome will be in desktop mode. Now if you click on any music or any videos, you'll be able to play it background.
নতুন ক্লোজ আপ তোমাকে দেয় 6 গুণ বেশি ফ্রেশনেস।
You can make it
এখন ট্রিপল ফ্রেশ ফর্মুলার সাথে মুখের কোনায় কোনায় পরিষ্কার করে, জীবাণু থেকে সুরক্ষা দেয়, সতেজ নিঃশ্বাস 12 ঘন্টা পর্যন্ত। ক্লোজ আপ 12 ঘন্টা পর্যন্ত সতেজ নিঃশ্বাস।
And you can use any apps here. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.